Okay. Hi. Thank you for this question. Today I will explain the core components of a virtual machine and explain how virtualization can be used in a business environment. First, a virtual machine or VM is a software-based computer that runs inside a physical computer. Even though it is virtual, it works like a real computer because it has its own operating system, memory, and storage, and also applications. I would like to say one of the most important components of a virtual machine is the hypervisor. The hypervisor is software that create and manage virtual machines. It allows multiple virtual machines to share the resources of one physical server. Another component is a virtual CPU, also called vCPU, and the vCPU provides processing power to the virtual machine and allow it run programs and perform tasks. The next component is virtual memory or RAM. Memory is important because it helps applications to run smoothly and allows the operating system to store temporary information while it's working. Virtual storage is another core component. Storage is where the operating system, applications, and files are safe. Without storage, the virtual machine would not be able to keep information after it turned off. And a virtual machine also use a virtual network adapter. The component allows the virtual machine to communicate with other devices, access the internet, and connect to business networks. Finally, every virtual machine has a guest operating system. This can be Windows servers, Linux, or another operating system installed inside the virtual machine. And now I would like to explain how I would use virtualization in a business setting. Um, I can say, imagine a small company that needs a website, a database, and also a file server. Instead of um, pers- purchasing three separate physical servers, and the company could buy one powerful server and create three virtual machines. So we can say the first virtual machines could host the company website, and the second virtual machine could host the database, and the third virtual machine could be used as a file server where employees store documents and important information. This approach provides several benefits because we can say the number one, it reduces hardware costs because the company needs fewer physical servers. Second one, it saves space and electricity because one server can perform the work of multiple servers. And the last point, we can say virtualization makes management easier. System administrator can quickly create, modify, or remove virtual machines when business needs any change. Another important benefits is disaster recovery. Virtual machines can be backed up regularly. If the servers fail, the virtual machines can also be restored much faster than rebuilding an entire physical server. So virtualization also improves flexibility. For example, if the company grows and needs another server, the administrator can create a new virtual machine instead of purchasing new hardware immediately. So, in addition, virtual machines are useful for testing and development. Developers can create a virtual machine to test software without affecting production systems. If something goes wrong, the virtual machine can be reset or deleted without impacting the rest of the business. So, in conclusion, the core components of a virtual machine include the hypervisor, virtual CPU, virtual memory, virtual storage, virtual network adapter, and guest operating system. So I can say virtualization is important because it helps the business reduce costs, improve resources utilizations, simplify management, and increase flexibility and improve the disaster recovery. All right, so this is my video, and thank you for listening.